Yeah. They used to call me in high school.
Rosie
Posey.
Can you reach?
No, I can't reach.
Reach hard.
Nope. Action shot. Ready?
Shot. You see that for every shot.
Yeah, because every shot I'm doing actions. Okay. You ready for your action shot?
Yeah.
Okay, start doing your job. I'll show you the action shot.
Okay.
Let me get set here. Ready? Go.
Shit.
Amazing. Closer. It's beautiful. Glad we went through that together. Okay, go to the top on this side. Let me know when you're good.
Yep.
Okay. Bottom this side. Shove the fuck out of that. Okay. Is that alright or?
Yeah, it's not too bad. There's a bit more of a gap at the top here, but
Yeah, that's from that caulk.
it's from all the caulk.
That'll be fine.
Mm.
That's old caulk.
You been smashing ice or what?
Yeah. Want to see a magic trick?
I do want to see a magic trick.
It's really simple.
What is that, like 2 inches of ice?
Just do this.
That was really cool.
There.
Wow. That's pretty good.
Measure it. Okay. You show them your skylight?
That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm getting better at it. There's a shovel.
like endless sawdust in my eye. Cool. Perfect. Okay. So we did, whoa, there it is. Typar windows. They're old windows, but they're good for the little workshop. Shout out to Jordan for giving me his windows. He has no windows in his house now, so that's nice. Then the roof, pretty cool. If it looks uneven, it's because of the fishbowl lens. That's what we'll call it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. And then just for fun, we started to tape it a little bit. Not that it really matters. Again, we're just gonna mill board and batten for the outside. That's obviously why we did the strapping. And then, so it's gonna be really cheap. I think this entire shed build's probably gonna cost, including steel, like $500-600. I don't really know, something like that. We'll do the budget at the end. You'll enter that in. Cool. Oh, yeah. Yeah, he'll forget. But yeah, overall pretty good. First time doing trusses, so a little wonky, but I mean, it's a steel roof, so nothing's gonna hold up there. And any points to improve? Anything?
Points to improve? Everything.
Everything has to improve.
Am
I even pointing that at you? I think it was pointing like over here. I'm so bad for that. Yeah, cool. Let us know in the comments what we have to improve, because we like being told what to do. So perfect. Now we'll do the whoosh whoosh shots.